Now, if you are bringing in over 100 new leads each week from your lead magnet ads, but 95% of them never reply, never open, or even never engage, that's not bad luck. That is a data issue, kind of hiding in plain sight right now. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact reason why most lead magnets right now create passive leads, and then how you can adjust one single step in your funnel to correct this. So you can then start daily messenger conversations with people who actually want to talk to you. Can you imagine that? Hello, I'm Tina, and I'm the founder of Sandford Video Ads. And since 2020, Dan and I, that's my son, we've been working with coaches and service providers to transform their silent lead lists into book calls, and without having to change their offer, and also without having to increase their ad spend too, which is so cool, isn't it? Anyway, but we've been doing it by simply changing how the first interaction's been structured. And here's what the numbers have been revealing. When somebody clicks on your ad, and downloads a freebie, and then gets instant access, they feel like they've gotten what they actually came for, because you offered that freebie, yeah? And they came for a resource, not for a conversation with you. And that's really important to understand. Now, we call these passive leads. And across the ad accounts that we run for our own clients, the lead magnet funnels that get these kinds of passive leads, which are okay, they work, but they average around 5% response rate. So 95% actually ghost you. That's not good if you need conversations right now. So if you do want conversations, the fix is what we call the fast funnel, okay? And the good news is that you don't need to change any free resource in itself if it used to work, okay? You just need to kind of repurpose it with the following steps. So get your freebie. Are you ready? I've got mine. Follow these steps. Step 1, you can write one clear sentence that actually names your freebie and also the result that it gives. For example, this checklist helps coaches to get 5 more booked calls every week. Do you want it? Yeah. And then step 2, you're going to run that sentence as a simple £5 a day engagement ad. You could either do it as a text post, or you could do it as a short spoken reel, and then you invite people to comment below if they want it. Want it? Comment below. Okay. Then step 3, when they comment below, just say, I'm going to reply to your messenger and give you the thing. Okay. Now the thing is, they've already agreed to talk to you because the lead has chosen to talk, and that small change raises the reply rates to between 30 to 40%, depending on the niche. So you've got to ask, what happened? Well, what you just did was you removed that gap between download and dialogue. You actually asked for their permission, so they expect to chat. So they do answer, yeah? And now you'll find that you're actually speaking with active leads instead of chasing passive ones who didn't expect to speak to you. Track it for yourself, okay? If you were then 1 in 10 leads ever respond to your lead magnet, it means you're running a passive system. Shift to the fast funnel, and then you can watch that response rate climb, and you'll finally see the proof that your ads are actually sparking real conversation instead. And that is the only metric that matters before you make a sale.